Welcome to Gary Auto Care. I'm Team Wire as usual. Today we have another episode. Right now I have Lexus RX 450H. This vehicle has a problem with misfire. Another thing, has a check engine on the dashboard. Look at it. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. So I want to use my auto machine to identify the code first before I proceed. Let's start. So using my auto machine diagnostic, we have Lexus. Under Lexus, so we have auto selection, read the VN number. Under Europe and others, between 2 of 11 module. Under engine we have 5 folds. So we have P0353 ignition coil C primary. Then we have P0504, which is brake switch A B correlation. This meaning that we have a problem with the brake switch, and we have a problem with ignition coil C, which is cylinder 3. That problem can be coils, ignition coils, spark plugs, or wiring issue. Because there's no circuit or open or closed circuit, the problem is maybe ignition coil or the spark plug. Let's go and see. So let me show you something. Look, there is some crack on ignition coil, meaning this is the main culprit. Is number 3. So the problem is ignition coil. So this is the plug. The plug is okay. Look at it. So after changing the coils, so the next thing is to click erase, ignition coil on, engines off. Start the vehicle. See, everything's clean. No NS signal on the dashboard, no check engine. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.